Question number 11. Marks obtained by 40 students in a short assessment is given below, where A and B are two missing data. Marks number of students. Xi and Fi. Fi into Xi. Marks that is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. And frequency is 6A, 16, 13, B. Sum of frequency, that is Fi, A plus B, and 16 plus 6 is equal to 22. 22 plus 13 is equal to 35. 35 plus A plus B, it's sum of frequency. And Fi into Xi, that is 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. 6 multiplied by A equal to 6A. 16 into 7, that is equal to 112. 13 into 8, 13 8s are 104. 9 into B, that is equal to 9B. Sum of Fi Xi equal to 6A plus 9B, and 4 plus 2 equal to 6. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That is 246 plus 6A plus 9B. 35 plus A plus B is equal to 40 students, that is equal to 40, which implies A plus B is equal to 40 minus 35. We are shifting right side, 35 will be negative and 40 minus 35 is equal to 5. So equation is A plus B equal to 5. It's equation first. And mean is equal to, mean of distribution is equal to 7.2, which implies mean equal to summation Fi Xi upon summation Fi, that is equal to 7.2. And sum of frequency, that is total number of students, is 40. So Fi Xi is equal to 246 plus 6A plus 9B upon sum of frequency, that is equal to 40. So Fi is equal to 40 equal to 7.2. 40 multiplied by 7.2. 246 plus 6A plus 9B equal to 40 multiplied by 7.2, that is 72 upon 10 into 40. This is cancelled, and 246 plus 6A plus 9b equal to 4 2s are 8, 7 4s are 28. 6a plus 9b equal to 288 minus 246. 6a plus 9b equal to 288 246, that is equal to 2 4 40. It's equation number second. From equation first and second, multiplying equation first by 6 and subtracting first and second, we get 6a plus 6b equal to 5 6 are 30, and subtracting minus minus minus, this is cancel. 9b minus 6b is equal to 3b, and 42 minus 30 is equal to 12. So b is equal to 12 upon 3, that is equal to 4. b equal to 4, and put b is equal to 4 in equation number first. Then a plus 4 is equal to 5, and a is equal to 5 minus 4, a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. Answer. Given marks xi is equal to 5 6 7 8 9 and number of students frequencies 6a 16 13 and b. 6 5s are 30 and 6 into a, that is equal to 6a. 16 7s are 112, 13 8s are 104, 9 into b, that is equal to 9b. And sum of frequency, that is 35 plus a plus b. 6 plus 16, that is 22. 22 plus 13 is equal to 35 plus a plus b. Its sum of frequency. And fixi is equal to 4 plus 2 6, 3 plus 1 4, 1 plus 1 2, that is 246 plus 6a plus 9b. And sum of frequency, that is 35 plus a plus b equal to total number of students is 40. So a plus b is equal to 40 minus 35, which implies a plus b equal to 5. It's equation number first. And mean is equal to 7.2, which implies mean is 246 plus 6a plus 9b upon frequency, that is total number of student is 40. 246 plus 6a plus 9b upon 40 equal to 7.2. Then 40 multiplied by 7.2, 72 upon 10 into 40, we get 72 into 4, 4 2s are 8 and 7 4s are 28, that is 288. 246 plus 6a plus 9 is equal to 288. 6a plus 9b is equal to 288 minus 246, that is equal to 42. It's equation number second. 6a plus 9b equal to 42, and multiplying equation first by 6, we get 6a plus 6b equal to 6 5s are 30. It's equation first. And subtracting equation first and second, we get 6a is cancelled, 9b minus 6b is 3b equal to 42 minus 30 is 12. b is equal to 12 upon 3, that is equal to 4. b is equal to 4, and put b is equal to 4 in equation number first. A plus 4 equal to 5, a is equal to 5 minus 4, a is equal to 1. And putting the value of b in equation number first, we get a plus 4 is equal to 5, and a is equal to 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1. So a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 4. Answer. Thank you.